Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jordan. Today's episode, Thanksgiving! What you'll need today is a potato, an apple, a machete, a mallet, homemade flamethrower, and a leaf blower. But, obviously, best on all of them.
Since we couldn't catch one, we caught ourselves a chihuahua. Then you just wait 5 minutes. You should get yourself a good old chihuahua. And now we wait.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now take out the food. Oh, there we go. Delicious.
No Thanksgiving is complete without a potato. Smashed potato. There we go. And last but definitely not least, some apple pie. Since no one really likes the crust, we just use a paper plate. You can eat the apple filling. First, cut up your apple. Now, start jacking up your leaf blower. Now bake the apple pie.
You obviously need some cranberries for your turkey. And some gravy for your potatoes. Now this is an excellent meal, but no meal is complete without a little pinch of pain! Delectable. Just exquisite. I could spend here hours just...